Welcome back to another fucking episode. I posted a status earlier. I don't know.
Way, I am beautiful.
That's fucking Juan.
Dude, why are you watching Disney Channel? That's what I'm wondering.
Hey, something else. Conan's already fucking over. I missed my show.
You're
But also
19,
don't know, Conan
19,
is the shit.
You're a 19-year-old Mexican guy who's watching Disney Channel. How the fuck does that look?
I watch it for the acting.
You watch it for the 14-year-old girls?
And the music.
Right.
The
Take it to 31. Yeah, boom, right there. It was a good show.
I'm just...
Channel 58.
Oh shit, it's my show.
I hate this show.
Fake gangsters that are on MTV nowadays in 2012. I don't know.
I hate this show.
I don't even know what the show is.
I already hate it because you like it.
I'm just fucking around, guy.
I usually can do a traditional tattoo.
Anyway, I was talking about season 2 a little bit ago, quite earlier today, and season 2 is almost to its close.
How do you decide that? That's weird.
There's 6 episodes left in this season, but
How many episodes were there in the first season?
Let's see.
Like 472.
Do you count the ones where we did a review? We've reviewed other videos and we've made a montage of them.
Alright, sure, let's count those.
Thanks, 4,000.
Oh my god. And it's 5 million.
I was talking to Anna earlier and I was telling her I could do different cartoon voices. Like, I could do Elmo. I'm really a chalupa and I like burrito. Can you get a chalupa? What the fuck was that? Can you do Cookie Monster?
No, I can't do that.
I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm laughing. Goose-fraba. Goose-fraba. Today's letter brought to you by the letter C for Cookie. Cookie Monster loves Cookie. I can also do the old pervert from Family Guy. Hey, Skinny Bridges. Hey, Skinny Bridges. I heard there's Mama here. Where's the paperboy? I haven't seen the newspaper in a couple days.
Oh, do we have a problem? Mickey Mouse from South Park beating up the Jonas Brothers.
Jesus.
Hilarious.
Ah, Quan. I feel Juan's on some violent shit.
Only need to lemonade.
I want to get to Luba with a large burrito. You dirty Mexican. He likes hookers. Yeah, I was only 10 years old. He likes hookers. You're a dirty hooker.
Hey, what the fuck are you talking about? I'm gonna fucking end you. Oh, end you, Cookie Monster. I'm gonna fucking end you.
What the fuck was that? So I'm usually filming from over here, as you guys can see, on my laptop, because, you know, I always like to have my videos that I'm going to review ready. And today, well, I was already laying down, because, I was just laying down, and Juan comes by. I don't know what the fuck this cunt wanted. Such a fucking cunt. I hate him. I'm just kidding. Apparently Harry Potter made headlines this week. I don't know if you heard about this. Yeah, season 2 is about 6 episodes away. Then I'll be back March 14th for season 3.
Why are you pointing the camera at me while you're talking?
I don't, because you're a part of this. Juan's been a big part of the videos since the beginning of season 2. He's the reason there is a season 2.
Yeah, good and evil. I mean, bad and evil. Sorry, I keep I don't know why I keep doing that.
It's quite alright. Welcome. We're going to call this season 2 of the Bad and Evil Show. That's what this is called, the Bad and Evil Show. Instead of the proper analysis of what I usually do for my videos,